guys, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. Okay, so today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial for girls or boys that wear glasses. So it's basically a tutorial just dedicated to people with glasses. It's not very different from any of my other makeup tutorials. I did use a couple different products. The only thing that I did was I just took my soft glam to the next level, and I added highlight in my inner corner, and then I focused most of my eyeshadow to the outer corners of my eye, so we have a lot of tension, a lot of like depth and highlights within our eyes. And then we did our eyebrows. We did our eyebrows to frame our glasses, and everything's just very nice and cute and pretty. And then we baked, we kind of baked our nose a little bit so that we don't get no makeup on the sides of our nose. And then we did like little bitty lashes. My opinion of little bitty lashes, so your lashes won't bump your glasses. And yeah, I'm in love with this makeup look. I've been loving these makeup tutorials I've been doing, girl. But before we get into the video, I want you guys to pause real quick. I want you to hit that subscribe button right there. My birthday is in literally 3 weeks. I'm gonna be 20. Oh my god. And I want 100 subscribers. Okay, so give me a huge thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and be notified, and hit the bell notification so you're notified every time your girl uploads a new video. And this is my first video for 2020. 2020, one of my goals is to wear my glasses more, so that's why I did this video. Don't forget to go shop www.queencierraboutique.com. Get you some goodies, and don't forget and follow me on Instagram at QueenCierra_slay, and follow my business Instagram at QueenCierra_boutique. If my throat sounds a little raspy or I sound a little manly, it's because my I'm still kind of getting over a cold, so hopefully I get back to normal. But yeah, and follow me on all my social media platforms and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. follow me on my social media platforms, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.